AMAKHOSI are considering the service of Manqoba Mnqithi, while JALI is on his way out of Mamelodi Sundowns. Manqoba Mnqithi is a South African football coach. He has managed a number of clubs in the Premier Soccer League. Manqoba Mnqithi is considered as one of the best coaches in South Africa. According to OJ, insiders from Naturena have confirmed that Kaizer Chiefs management are strongly considering appointing Manqoba Mnqithi. Further explained, Mnqithi is believed to be one of the strongest candidates for the AMAKHOSI job, according to Sokoladuma. With his contract coming to an end at the end of May, AMAKHOSI management offer for him incoming weeks. On other PSL news, ANDILE JALI's agent Mike McCabe has made a bold claims regarding the starlet as he searches for a new club, with his contract set to end next month, according to Far Post. Mark McCabe elaborated that they are close to finalizing his exit from Klokop, and PSL teams are eager to sign the former Orlando Pirate midfielder, including the mighty AMAKHOSI, after the service of ANDILE JALI ahead of the new season. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Bye.